Hello and welcome back, children. This is Mr. Muzaffar presenting before you the ninth topic of your supplementary or reader. The name of the topic is A Tiger in the House by Ruskin Bond. The story is about a pet tiger. My dear children, the story that I am going to teach you today is about a pet tiger. The story is told by the grandchild, India's most loved writer, Ruskin Bond. My dear children, the story is told by the grandchild. Who was he? He was India's most loved writer. What was his name, my dear children? His name was Ruskin Bond. Grandfather found a tiger cub. What? Grandfather found a tiger cub. Why he found a tiger cub? He found a tiger cub in the jungle, my dear children. Grandmother brought him up as his own child and named him Timothy. And once the grandfather found a tiger cub in the jungle, and then he take tiger cub to his home. What he did then? He take the tiger cub to his home, and grandmother of Ruskin Bond brought up. He bought up. He cared tiger cub in such a way, she treated tiger cub as his own child. As his own child. He cares tiger cub properly. He feed tiger cub on proper time, my dear children. And he named him. What he named him? He named him Timothy. He named him Timothy, my dear children. Timothy companions were a monkey. He had a companion. He had a friends, monkey and a puppy. He had a companion. He had a friends, you all have, my dear children, friends. You all have friends. You all have companions, my dear children. Same is the case with this tiger cub who was named Timothy. And Timothy, he had a companion. Companions were, it was monkey and a puppy, my dear children. Timothy was scared of the puppy. He was initially he was scared of the puppy. The monkey had tail. And if Timothy lost his temper, he would climb up. Sometimes if Timothy lost his temper, sometimes he got angry. Timothy got angry, then pulled Timothy's tail, and then what he was doing, the monkey had tail. And if Timothy lost his temper, he would climb up. Climb up the curtain, my dear children. Timothy is loved to play with someone. So the writer was his favorite. Who was his favorite? Writer was his favorite, my dear children, when he came to live in grandfather's house. Grandmother's house. Timothy's favorite place was the drawing room on the long sofa. They had a grandmother. They had a long sofa. In her drawing room. But this Timothy tiger cub, my dear children, he had a favorite room. He had a favorite place. He had a favorite room in grandmother's house. It was a driving place. My dear children. And she used it to sit on the long sofa, my dear children. I told you, my dear children, this is very simple. The story is about a pet tiger. Okay. And the story is told by the grandchild. Who was he? He was India's most loved writer, Ruskin Bond. And at night he would sleep in the quarters. At night he used to sleep. He used to sleep in the quarters, my dear children. He kept himself clean and scrubbed himself like a cat. He used to clean himself because he had to sleep on the sofa, my dear children. That's why he used to clean himself and scrub himself like a cat. One of these days, said grandmother in a prophetic manner. In a prophetic manner, what? We are going to find Timothy sitting on Mahmud's bed. Mahmud's bed. They had a bed at their house, and Mahmud's bed, and no sign of the cook except his clothes and shoes. Of course, it was never true, and nothing had been, my children seen there. Nothing has been seen the sign of the cook, and they thought that somebody is cooking inside the house, but nothing has been seen there. Only his clothes and shoes were there, my dear children. Of course, it was not true. Of course, it was not true. It was never true. It was never true, my dear children. Very simple, my dear children. I told you, one day grandfather was in the forest, and there he found a tiger cub. And then he had a wife, and his wife, cared him properly, and treat him properly. Then he make his friends. It was my dear children. It was monkey and puppy, and then they used to play each other. They used to do different things, my dear children, together. My dear children, if you have any problem, and if you have any query regarding this topic, please do contact with me. Thank you and have a good day.